Hello there. In this comprehensive guide, I will show you how to use TruthFinder to reconnect with a long-lost friend. First, in the People search bar, enter your friend's full name and their state. If you don't know which state they live in, you may leave this section blank. Next, wait for the results to load. TruthFinder will search public records to provide you with detailed available information on your long-lost friend. Make sure to open the correct person's report by checking their age, location history, and potential known associates. Lastly, review your friend's report. If you are not an existing subscriber, you will need to purchase a membership plan to view the report. The report may include their available contact information, social media profiles, possible criminal and traffic records, court cases, and other relevant details. Thank you.